We gotta watch this video. We gotta watch this video right now. 1 in 1 billion moments in nature.
Hello everyone. Lightning strikes that send shivers down your spine, stunning contrasts, and sudden swirling dust devils.
Why are you
The heroes of this compilation were fortunate
Is he
enough
screaming
to
or
capture
moaning?
moments that happen once in a lifetime. Let's get it on.
Nah, that looks AI as fuck, but I can tell it's real. There's this question that have been on my mind since forever. Is there some animals? Is there some fishes, sharks, jellyfishes, or okay, of course not jellyfish. Like fish in general, living under this water right here because it's really cold. So are they? Oh! I forgot to switch cam.
One of the strongest.
I forgot to switch
Greenland's
scene. My bad. Not
history.
cam. Not cam. Not cam. I forgot to switch scene.
Forcing them to
It was this right here.
A massive tsunami, one of the strongest in Greenland's history, caught the fishermen by surprise, forcing them to quickly pack up.
Well, damn, why does it sound so loud? Bro, why are y'all running? There's literally nothing coming to you. Am I right? There's nothing coming. Oh, yup, it's coming. Yeah, I'm coming. It's 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 coming. Guys, it was like that 5 seconds ago. Well, 10 seconds, not 5 seconds. It was like this 10 seconds ago. How did it turn to be like that? Okay, that's scream. My bad. That's not funny. Okay, that wasn't funny, but his scream was actually funny. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Is this even floating on the clouds? Oh. Look at his face. I swear he just had a moment of realization. Fuck, I'm cooked. Okay. There's gonna be a thunder alert. There's gonna be a yup, I knew. Oh. For anybody who's watching this and he's blind, you're blind, please, bro. This is a video of somebody on a parachute. He was out of control. His parachute was out of control. Okay, please, if you're blind and you're watching this, don't think something else, please. This is YouTube. This is YouTube.
This guy's wife was filming him as he was getting ready to launch his paraglider, when suddenly a gust of wind lifted him off the ground. Fortunately, he wasn't hurt and was even able to continue his flight.
Is he okay?
Wait, is that nigga okay? Whoa. Wait, I actually want to know what caused this smoke. Who wants smoke with me? Who wants smoke with me? Who wants smoke with me? I'm trying to fuck a nigga lungs up. Devil line. No, I don't put that damn guns up. Fuck that.
Just imagine the power of the eruption if ash fell on a village so far from the volcano.
Oh, it's a volcano. That's why. That's why. Bro, damn. Do volcanoes get this amount of smoke when they explode? I didn't know that.
People in India captured footage of a massive landslide that blocked the road for an entire day.
Wait, imagine, bro. Just imagine if it didn't fall right here, if it fell up here till down here where they were standing. Nah, that would have been fucked up. They would pass away. I swear.
Hawaii is a place where
That's a volcano,
nature can
right?
be both breathtaking and intimidating at the same
Like,
time.
oh, look at the rainbow. I didn't know why I didn't notice it. Damn. This comes from the volcano, right? Yeah, I think it's from the volcano. Of course, from the volcano. Then from where are we gonna be?
Oh my god!
I swear, I thought a car just splashed this amount of water. Oh my god. High school graduate, by the way. High school graduate, by the way. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot.
Woo!
The car over there, our car.
Okay, it's okay.
Look at the car, it's been smashed
Yes,
against the
it's okay,
side.
it's okay.
Oh,
it's
in
okay,
there.
it's okay,
Oh,
it's
in
okay.
there.
Relax.
Bro, this thing is already panicking, and she's, oh, the car, it's gonna come inside the car, oh, the car, the water, splash inside the car.
Just relax. I need you to relax.
Two bombs? Now there was somebody definitely having turned on the UAV so he can spot these two niggas, because it's probably their ops. Okay, that was a bad joke. That was a really bad joke. That was a deadass really bad joke. I'm sorry. I'm not saying it again. I promise. I want to know at which states or what states does these kind of volcanoes or does these kind of things come
Listen
to?
to the sounds a small lake in Montana makes.
It's usually dead quiet.
Why does that sound like some laser shit? I don't know if y'all went to laser tag, but if you went to laser tag, I swear it sounds the same. Oh, and it also sounds like the gun, no, from the sword from Star Wars. By the way, I'm somebody who never watched Star Wars. I don't know why, but I really don't fuck with that movie. Not at all.
Due to temperature changes, the ice constantly expands, contracts, and cracks, causing sound waves to travel through it unevenly. This leads to a phenomenon called
Oh!
acoustic dispersion.
I thought it was some animals down there asking for help. Help us! Okay, that was a bad one. I'm
It's one of
sorry.
the craziest things I've ever experienced. I've heard it, just not like this.
That was unnecessary. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Nick, come on! Change, like...
A driver from Arizona
Where am I
found
focused?
himself in an unexpected
Oh, okay.
chase, not with the police, but with a real dust devil.
It's actually moving toward me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Okay, listen, if it's gonna move towards you, what's gonna happen to you? You're inside a car. It is impossible for some shit like that to lift up your entire whip.
Come on.
I can confidently say that.
It's coming toward me. The heck? Oh, snap.
Nigga, don't move. Nothing's gonna happen,
It's
bro.
literally following me. That's where I was parked at.
But still, it will not lift you up. I know that it's really huge, but it will not lift you up.
Neil!
Iceberg.
Neil! Wegwezen! Echt niet! Kijk nou! Holy fuck! Neil!
I swear, thank God they weren't there. Because if they were there, it would happen to them the same shit that happened to the Titanic. Because I think the Titanic also sank because some icebergs. Am I right? I don't know. I think so. I'm not sure. It's too bad that I don't even know what is the story for the Titanic. But I watched the movie for Titanic when I was like maybe 7, 8. I think so. 7, 8, 9. I think so. One of these ages.
Hij moet gas geven. We zien die golven.
There were a guy and a girl that were in love. And now they're doing good. They're doing good. They're doing good. Nothing happened. Nothing. I think nobody's damaged.
The Gobi Desert is renowned not just for its immense size, but also for the
The what?
Desert is The Gobi Desert is renowned not just for
Gobi?
its immense size, but also for the singing.
How do I write
humans.
this?
The winds continually blow the
Gobi,
sand
Gobi,
around. As a layer
Gobi.
of shale shifts, it creates this fascinating.
Where is it?
sound.
Oh, it's in Mongolia. Whoa. I didn't know Mongolia had a desert. Oh, Mongolia! The country that Speed went to at the end of the China tour. Okay. Wait, is this the sand that you sink in? Is it the type of sand that you sink in? Because I think this is it. If you stand up the sand above it, you're gonna sink. I'm not sure, honestly. Where the fuck did the structure went? What? Oh, there's some wood houses. Is America entire like all houses like that's wood? Wait. I swear I'm gonna pull this one. I swear I'm gonna pull this one. I swear I'm gonna pull this one. Oh my god, I'm gonna pull this one. Cause listen, it's a bad joke, but it is kind of true. Wait. Fuck it. Let's ride. Bro, where is it? Yup, I do. Let me know what you wanna do. Okay, I think it's the same at this one. Call me what you want. I swear it's the same. I swear it's the same. I swear on my life it's the same. Did I pull it? W similarity? WRL similarity. Wait, what is this? Why does that look like a whip? I swear I don't have a muscle memory, guys. I swear.
Fortunately for the operator and other observers, water spouts usually dissipate by the time they reach land and rarely move far inland.
But the real question, what causes this thing to happen? I don't know what this called, but oh damn, this bird. What causes this thing to happen? Oh, is that a ship right there? Oh, I hope they're doing good. I don't think they're doing good, honestly. I don't think they're doing good, chat. Bro. Nigga, police! What are you possibly doing there? No, what is the police actually doing there? Are you gonna put your car in the middle and block that shit? No, you can't. Oh, that's an ambulance. Oh, okay. Oh, in case somebody gets hurt and blah blah blah. Okay, I'm dumb. I'm sorry. I thought that was the police. Are these some birds? Why are they a lot? Hold on a second. Bro, these are not birds. This is some shattered wood from the houses that got broken. I think so. Oh my god, look at that. Wait. Oh my god, look at that tree. I swear I just saw a tree that I got. This one. Is that a tree? Is this a tree? Now listen, I don't know shit about chemistry, or I think it's related to chemistry, but how is there a fire and you got water down there? Isn't if the base, like the base of the shit, if it's water, it's supposed that the up or the surface become like entirely watered? Not entirely watered, it will be a surface at the end of the day, but it will not cause like a fire or some shit.
Oh my god!
Nigga, there's an iceberg right in front of you.
It's gonna tip over.
You might gonna die. How are you this chill?
Stand up in front of there, Lena. Right.
No.
This is too cool.
Yeah, that's too cool until it comes over to you and your wife, and then wife or girlfriends, I don't know why y'all to each other.
Oh.
Yeah, now it's cool, huh? Now it's cool, nigga. Now it's cool. Wait, I got a question. Is the entire shit ice or water? Or ice or snow? No, it's of course ice.
The zoom won't come back in.
Nigga, hold the camera. Like, damn, bro, just hold the camera like for a second. Good, like.
Team manage.
Oh man.
Wait, there was an entire shit right here. Where did it go? No, I swear there was an entire. This one right here. Wait. This one right here. This entire part. Where did it go? It was right. That's crazy. That's fucking insane. That's insane. That's insane, chat. Bro, that motherfucker looks like a pyramid. I thought they were in a boat. Oh my god. I thought that they were in a boat. That's actually a good view to look at.
These clouds, known as lenticular clouds, appear only when there's high humidity and strong horizontal air.
You know what first came to my mind when I saw this? I swear, this is the first thing that came to my mind when I saw this. I guess I gotta turn on the video. There's no shorts. This right here. Got that feeling. I know where you want me, girl. No. Wait, how the fuck did we even went from this video to Ken Music?
Airflow.
And of course, bro, damn. But it was the same thing
always in
here.
motion.
This cloud and this cloud right here, and also what reminds me is this. Is this right here? Where is it? What the hell is this? Now this thing is in some back rooms, bro. Where fucking?
Crack.
How did it end up
Sandstorms
here?
occur quite frequently, and every time they do, the cities.
Why aren't sandstorms supposed to be like the color of the sand? How is it red?
They're from another
That
planet.
is a Texas flag. And that flag is about 100 feet away. Oh well, nice day.
This nigga's walking nonchalantly. I swear, this nigga's. He probably got the most aura in the entire village or city. Now I have a question. If these kind of rocks that come up from the sky when it rains, and it hits your car, and your car glass got broken, or your car got damaged in general. Will the insurance cover it? Yes or no? Because I don't know, honestly. Wait, how the fuck did this? Oh, it was there. It was there. Okay, I thought somebody put that motherfucker, bro.
As the approaching avalanche suddenly veered off course and passed just beside their camp.
Блин, на сковородке народ. Ай-яй-яй. Блин,
Chat, should I be the first person to stream in Antarctica? Yes or no? No, wait, that's a good idea. Cause, wait, if you get the Starlink, oh, of course not now at the future, but there's Kai got the idea to stream at the space, but honestly, I don't know who's gonna do it first, Kai or Speed or Aiden, one of them, cause every one of them is talking to Elon. So, but I think it has a possibly high chance to be Aiden. It has a high chance to be Aiden. I don't know why, but I feel like it's Aiden. Aiden's gonna be the first person to stream on space. It's either Aiden, Kai, Speed, because they're the big three. Motherfuck that big three, nigga. It's just Big B, nigga. Bum.
Video this.
Yeah.
This is.
Mammatus clouds
What
are
are this?
uncommon and usually appear only in tropical latitudes. The operator was fortunate to see them up close.
Now, I swear, I thought these motherfuckers were some bubbles. I swear.
Why is
See, that's the problem, bro. I gotta, instead of buying Spotify, look, cause instead of buying Spotify Premium, I need to buy YouTube Premium. I swear. What's that?
what's the whole option ago? Is it moving out? It is moving.
Nigga, I'm looking at the mountain. What is
It's gonna
happening?
go. It's going.
Oh, that motherfucker's gonna fall. Oh, yup, it is.
Oh my god!
Oh wait, I actually I wanna see how it look.
Oh! Jeez!
Whoa. Bro, look at the entire color of the water. It changed.
Jeez!
Is that oil? What the hell? Now I know that this city's about to make a bank. They about to make a bank. That's a bag right there. That's a money bag right there. That's oil. I can tell. I can tell that motherfucker's the oil. Nah, lucky ass city, bro. That's a lucky ass city. I guess now with all this oil, I think the entire city is gonna retire. Yup. Because this amount of oil is enough to make all of the city live for free.
In 2018, the Kilauea volcano made headlines worldwide due to an eruption that was the largest in centuries.
This is fucking amazing.
I was gonna say that this looks like a fountain, but this is a fountain, but the V of the version of the volcano. Bro, from where is these fucking what's it called? From where are these heated things coming from? I don't know what it's called even. Because I can clearly see that there's no volcano. Does the volcano have to be so huge like a mountain or something? Or can it be small at the ground? Some people tell me I fell out. Oh, I need a dog.
You got through that?
Are these some leaves? It look like some birds. Am I right?
Little dippers down in the.
Wow, look at that. Crazy as well.
Baby, what's up? He was a baby, what's up? Yup, I do. Let me know, go. What you wanna do?
As we watch the spectacle unfold to our
Oh, guys, I have an idea for tomorrow's stream. Instead of doing nothing, should we do a song? Spam one if you should do one. If you do, if you want. Spam one in chat if you should do a song tomorrow.
was just surfing right on the front of the wave and apparently doing just fine as it went around the corner and out of view.
Surfing the flow. Yeah.
For fishermen, these events can be really dangerous. More than one person has unfortunately lost their lives due
Yeah,
to
bro.
stand breaks on the Roaring
Bro.
Fork River. Be careful
Oh, I thought that
out
was a
there.
bus. So baby, tell me I fell off. Oh, I needed that. I know I exaggerated things. Now I gotta like that. I gotta take photo for the street.
Power sends the waterfall's flow soaring upward, making it look as though the laws of physics are being broken.
What is that?
At the end of each year, an incredible phenomenon occurs on Christmas Island.
That's Mr. Krabs' entire bloodline.
Over 100 million crabs migrate towards the ocean, a journey that takes them an average.
They're trying to protect the
18
secret
days.
formula. They're trying to protect the secret formula. What's gonna happen? They're watching the sunset, chat. They're watching the sunset. Damn, that sunset. Damn, that sunset. It's really fast. Is that a black hole? Wait, what is that? Nah, y'all. We're really close to the end of the world, bro. Look at that. That's a black hole, nigga. Nah, done. Cooked. I don't know what's that.
Even the most skilled artists can't compete with nature in terms of creating beauty.
Wow. Tom sahur. Ano man ang gari kapal daw tala sahur aparcarte. Bombardilo crocodilo.
According to
Tralalelo tralala.
thrown into chaos that day. The water spout was just a small part of the havoc that nature unleashed on this Italian city.
Ballerina cappuccina. Me.
To ward off threats and warn
What's
their
that?
fellow bees,
Is this some
honeybees
bees?
employ
Oh
this
my God.
unique tactic.
What
The
is?
more imminent and noticeable the
Nigga, that looks like a fucking UAV shit that I use at COD. I swear. When you use the UAV, it gets it up and then it keeps scanning the area looking for some players.
danger, the stronger and more frequent these waves are.
Nah, I just also want to play COD. Chat, should we play COD? Should I play COD on stream? Yes or no?
At first, it seems like a nest, but upon closer inspection, you'll see it's actually a
The way it
cluster
is.
of harvestmen. Their legs can sometimes be as much as 20 times longer than their bodies.
Nigga, their hair is fucking... Bro, their hair is longer than my hair. Bro, I wish I never got a buzz cut, bro. I swear. My shit was long as fuck. I wish I never got a buzz cut. That looks like a chocolate right there. I swear that motherfucker looks like a chocolate. I don't even know how did I spot that shit. I don't even know how did it came to my mind. But I swear that looks like a chocolate, bro. Damn, I'm hungry. What is that, bro? I don't understand. How did these motherfuckers tie themselves?
King is a peculiar and rare event where several squirrels become entangled by their tails and can't free themselves. This usually happens because of resin, fur, or nesting refuse.
Wait, how will they? Oh my god, they're done. Don't help them. Don't help them, bro. Let them learn from their lesson. Let them learn a lesson they will never forget. Because they're the one who got themselves into it. I swear, they're the ones. I swear, bro. I think this feeling is kind of same to the feeling to that I know. You know when you sit at a swing, and the swing have this like the chair for the baby. You know, when you push the baby, it have that swing. It have that chair. When you sit at the chair for the swing, and you can't pull out because you're tall as fuck, and it'll be difficult for you. I swear. Now I know that feeling. But of course, it's not like really close to what they're feeling right now. Because what they're feeling, bro, I don't even want to imagine because it's really bad.
Locals have nicknamed it the Tree of Life because it has managed to survive without its roots ever touching the ground. By all biological laws, this tree should have perished years ago, but instead, it stands as a living testament to the strength of perseverance.
It got motion, chat. That's all I can say. It got motion. I got motion. Not a dash. I thought she had tossed it. Oh,
the tide has
the
turned
entire
this
paint
mix
is gone.
of sand and ice into a unique sculpture.
Now that's a natural art shit, bro. Whoa. How's it holding down there? How's it holding down there without falling? Nah, I swear if this nigga pushed that shit, bro. Whoa! What the hell? Chad, that's fire! I swear I thought that they were inside a entertainment place section, bro. Like, I didn't thought that they were in the nature. What is holding it up there?
God, that's amazing.
That's amazing until it comes up to you and burns you, and then niggas will not even recognize who you are from your body because you got burned from this shit, and you're gonna know what is amazing. Okay?
It's so bright, you can feel the heat.
You're already feeling the heat, nigga, and you're saying that's amazing? What's wrong with you, nigga?
Incredible footage from Hawaii. Lava, with a temperature of about 1100 degrees Celsius, flows into the ocean.
And you say that's
creating a
amazing.
massive steam plume rising into the air.
Nah, but the view is actually amazing. I'm not gonna lie.
Feel that heat.
All of them, all of them. What's that? Oh, please. I want anything to happen to the... That's it? Nigga, what? Now, do all these niggas know each other? Not for real, do they all know each other? Now let's hear over 10k amounts of fucking pigeons, or is that a pigeon? Ducks? I think so. I don't know. How did that tree cross the cross the bridge without getting broken? Baby was a baby. Yup, I do. Let me know what you wanna do. Give me something, I give it to you. That's normal, I guess so. Oh no. Yeah, boy, that's it. Oh, damn, bro. Oh yeah. How is this 1 in billion moments in nature? That's normal as fuck. Talking about snakes, I think I should end this video, and I think, Chad, we should go and watch some iguana fights.